Hey guys, so a lot of you have asked me to show you guys how I do some of my work style hairstyles, and so in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different nursing hairstyles that are really easy to do and simple. So this first one is going to be a bun that has a cute headband, and as you can see I am obsessed with dry shampoo. This is like 2 or 3 day old hair, so I just first put dry shampoo in and will brush through my hair to kind of get it untangled and work the dry shampoo in. So the first thing I do is put my headband on, and I have this headband linked down below. I got it from Amazon, and so I just put the headband on and then I put my hair kind of up like I'm going to be doing a ponytail. So then I kind of flip my hair over and just twist it in a loose kind of twist, and then I twist it around to kind of form this bun. So then I wrap a ponytail around it and kind of just pull it out a little bit. It's really just a loose, messy bun look, but that's what I'm going for here, so I guess it works. Then I pull out a few pieces of hair to frame my face on each side, and voila, add some hairspray and this hairstyle is done. So the next hairstyle is the Dutch braid that you guys love, and I, of course, start off with some dry shampoo and brushing my hair like normal. And just to give you guys kind of a heads up, this hairstyle was done the day after the previous one, so you can see that, yeah, my hair is a mess. So the first thing you need to do is brush all your hair over to one side, and then you are going to take a big chunk from the top part of one side and divide that into 3 sections. The next thing is you're going to do a Dutch braid like normal. If you don't know how to do that, I would look up a YouTube video. I'm sure there's plenty of them out there, but you're going to grab pieces from the front and from the back and pull those pieces of hair underneath the middle strand. And I like to grab big chunks of hair because my hair is so thin that I need like more right off the bat. So I start off grabbing huge chunks. So then I secure my braid with a little tiny elastic rubber band, and then this next step is the most important step to any braid. I have realized this over the past couple of months, is you have to pull apart the braid to make your hair look thicker. So take each little braid loop, I guess you could say, and pull the outside portion to just kind of fluff it up. And you may have to go up and down and do this multiple times to make sure it's all even, but it's better to under pull than to over pull, because you can't really put the hair back in, but you can always pull more out. And then of course I finish with some hairspray, and that is this hairstyle. This final hairstyle is what I like to call space buns, or everyone at work calls it Princess Leia hair. So first I did my dry shampoo, brushed my hair, and then part it down the middle. Then you're going to act like you're going to put your hair in a high ponytail, but you're going to twist it and then twist it all the way around and secure it with a ponytail, and then just kind of pull it out so that way it looks like a nice round bun. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and then you just have to kind of manipulate both sides so that they're equal. That's the hardest part of this hairstyle, is getting them to look equal on both sides. Then I just pull out a couple strands of hair in the front, and voila, spray some hairspray, and we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this different style of video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, and maybe I'll do some more of these types of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!